Hello everyone, Duskin Mods here. Have you ever had a key cut and it was too expensive? Or they said it couldn't be done? Well, that's what happened to me because my key faces the wrong way and these keys only come in one size. So armed with these key blanks and a Dremel, I cut my own keys, and holy shit, it worked. Now I have 3 keys that work. And you have the knowledge that if you are skilled enough, if your hands are good enough, if your eyes know what the fuck they are looking at, then you don't need a key cutter. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. I sometimes make some really cool content, and it would be a shame if you missed it. Just kidding.